Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to copy a YouTube video link on mobile. So it doesn't count whether you're using Android or you're using iPhone. You can copy particular YouTube video link and share it wherever you want. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to copy a YouTube video link on your phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application and then select the video you want to copy it link. So let's say this particular video is the video whose link you want to copy it. Then, once you open the video just like this, then you see the video playing. Now the next thing you want to do is come to this menu here, locate and click on share. Then hang on for the YouTube video link to be generated. Then can now come here and click on copy link. Or better still, scroll through and select where you want to share the YouTube video link. But to copy the YouTube video link, select copy link. Then you see link copied to clipboard. Then exit the YouTube video page. Go ahead and open wherever you want to paste the YouTube video link. So let's say I want to send this to a WhatsApp user. So open the WhatsApp. Then open the contact. Go ahead and paste the YouTube video link. If link preview is enabled on the WhatsApp account, then you should see the YouTube video preview like this. Then go ahead and click on the send button, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to copy a YouTube video link on mobile. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.